Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your email address on Binance. What you need to do, first just go to Binance and log in your account, and then your profile here, just click security. And then you see here email address, click change and will open a new tab, and here are the steps to change your email address. Just click next. Now you need to click here send code, and they will send you code to your email address. You need to type the code here, and then you type the new email address, and you need to add a new password. This is what you need to do if you want to change your email address on Binance. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.